Every time you look at the forex chart, you see something like Euro USD or GBP JPY. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down. A currency pair always has two parts, the base currency and the quote currency. Take Euro USD. Euro is the base currency, it comes first. USD is the quote currency, it comes second. The price you see tells you how much of the quote currency it takes to buy 1 unit of the base currency. So if Euro USD is trading at 1.0750, that means 1 euro equals 1.0750 US dollars. Now, here's the part that confuses beginners. When the price goes up, which currency is getting stronger? It's the base currency, the first one. If Euro USD rises, the euro is strengthening against the dollar. If Euro USD falls, the euro is weakening. The dollar is getting stronger instead. This matters because most major pairs involve the US dollar on one side, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD. In some, USD is the base, in others, it's the quotes. Always check which side USD is on before you decide what a price move actually means. So next time you see a currency pair, ask yourself two questions. Which currency is the base, and is the price going up or down? That single skill will save you from a lot of confused trades.